Hey guys, it's Shannon, and today I'm here with my August BoxyCharm unboxing. So I love the box this month. I think it's super pretty, and yeah, I haven't looked in here at all yet, so I'm excited to see what's in here. So this is what I see when I first open it. Oh, things are trying to fall out. Alright. It says, snapshots from summer. Soak it in. This month we're savoring the last moments of sweet summertime and reflecting on some highlights from the sun-filled season. Alright. So, first thing is from Oribe. I don't know how to say that. I'm sorry. And it's a dry texturizing spray. And the full size is $46. So that's what this looks like. I haven't tried the texturizing spray, but I have tried their dry shampoo, which is really good. Then from Avene, I'm not saying that right, it's a French word and I can't pronounce things in French, I'm sorry. It's a cleanance expert. What is it? Oh, it moisturizes and mattifies while reducing redness and preventing future breakouts. Nice. So this is what the package looks like. And then we'll open it and we'll take a look inside. It's just a little baby tube. Looks the same as the other. Yeah. So I'm excited to try that out. I've never really tried anything like that, so. Right, then from Stila, we have the Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Portofino, and the full size is $22. Also, the full size of that, of this cleansing expert thing, it's $26. It's a really pretty shade. It's like a nudie pink. Excited to try that. Smells so good. One of my friends loves Stila's liquid lipsticks, and I've never tried it, so I'm excited to try these. And the full size of that's $22. I think I said that. Maybe. I don't know. So then from the brand number 4, we have their Super Comb Prep and Protect. It shields strands from heat damage and UV rays with a leave-in conditioning mist. It's made from natural hydrators like blackcurrant and soy yogurt. That sounds cool. It's also got a little crocodile that has a comb for a mouth. I think that's a crocodile. I don't know. But yeah. I'm probably going to take that to school and try it on some clients, because that'd be cool. And then the last thing we have is from Acure Organics, and it's a rejuvenating sheet mask. The full size is $4.99. Never tried this brand of sheet masks, but looks cool. Haven't done a face mask in a long time. I haven't done any masks in a long time, so maybe I'll treat myself tonight and try it out. So it's supposed to instantly hydrate, and it's got tropical nutrition with argan oil, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. Nice. I'm excited to try this. Looks cool. This says, this all comes from adding, with the added benefit of getting to look like a comic book villain named Paperface while this is on. Okay, that's interesting. Yeah, so I'm excited to try this. I will leave the link to Birchbox down below if you guys want to check it out. This is my second month getting it, and so far I'm pretty happy. I haven't tried anything that was in this month's box. Last month I had tried like 2 or 3 of the things. But yeah, so I'll probably keep this up for a few more months and see how I like it, and then, yeah. Also, it says save the date, Customer Appreciation Day is September 13th. So I don't know, it says there's going to be discounts, offers, and freebies with tons of surprises, which is also my birthday. keep that date in mind too. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, so I think that's it for today's video. I will leave the little iCard up here for my Birchbox unboxing from last month, and if I remember, I will leave a little iCard for the BoxyCharm unboxing that I just did a couple days ago, if you want to check that out. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!